Hey gang, Coach Key John here, and I'm here with the amazing Dr. Michelle, and we are going to be doing a tutorial on the DEKA Strong events and how we feel that we're actually capable of bringing this video to you. We are currently the co-ed world champions, and we're also now a DEKA affiliate. And world champions meaning of our age category 100 and above. So DEKA stands for 10, and today we're going to go through all the exercises. The first of the 10 will be reverse lunges, and the lovely Dr. Michelle will actually be doing a demonstration on how to do it perfectly. I'm going to have Dr. Michelle, why don't you grab that for me?
Yeah, so this is a RAM. This is kind of like a unique piece of equipment to the DEKA events. It looks like a foam roller, but it's pretty heavy. This is 33 pounds for women.
For women, 33, and for men?
55.
Okay, so before we get started, we're going to go ahead and show you 3 variations. You do what works for you, and then we're going to show you how Dr. Michelle does it and helped us get to the own that world title. So anyway, so what's going to happen is you're going to put it behind your back.
The rule is it has to be on your shoulders.
It has to be on
somehow.
your shoulders.
So you can
this
do
is
it.
Variation 1. Why don't you go ahead and just do maybe 3 per foot. 1, 1. Here we go. Abs tight. You have to come to full extension all the way up, straight line from the hip to the ankle joint. Okay, that's variation 1. Now variation 2, she's going to go across the right shoulder. So it does not matter the angle, whatever's comfortable. You can hold it straight, you can hold it diagonal. She goes across her body. She's going to go ahead and do 2 per foot. 1, 1, 2, and 2. And the third variation that's legal is across the side. Okay, so now what's going to happen is this the side that you always do?
No, the other side is my side.
You're going to go ahead and do 2 steps per foot, but watch, she did it on the other hand, but watch how she uses the opposing hand to help push up. This is a very great technique to help alleviate some of the pressure and also the lactic acid that builds up. It definitely helps.
Yeah, so you don't have to, I hold it with my hand on the inside. Some people hold it like this, but that's a lot harder for me.
And also the goal is not to hold it there, it's to balance it there. So if you balance it perfectly, just like you can ride a motorcycle, a 1,000-pound motorcycle, if you're dead center, there's no weight. So make sure if you choose to go on either shoulder, is that you find your balance point where you're just supporting it from falling, not holding it there.
Yes, and would you say to get your reverse lunge form down first before you even add the weight?
Oh yes, as a matter of fact, can you go ahead and put that down for me? Like she said, great tip is practice body weight. So whenever you step back, abs tight. So your knee has to touch the mat and replace. Go ahead and do maybe 3 per side. Notice that she's standing fully at the hip. Her heel stays north. She's not going flat-footed. Watch, toe, and give me 3 more toes. 1, torso up, 2, and 2. Give me 1 more. 3, touch the knee, and last one, touch the knee. Thank you, Doc.
When I'm stepping back, I'm stepping slightly wider than my feet are starting. So I'm stepping about shoulder width for balance. Because if I step here,
right,
it's a little wobbly.
You're walking like a tightrope, and you don't want to do that. So great tip. So give that a shot. Get the form down first, and then graduate to the RAM.